Now, another key, okay, to the 700 million is this. Missed services equals missed income. Ano hong ibig sabihin na to? Okay? Now, before I proceed, at this point ho, may I know, naintindihan ho ninyo? Okay? From the time we started and up to now, everything starts with management. Okay? You need to do the target. You need to do the monitoring. You need to do future proofing, and you need to do the system, yung ownership, and then the next is the package. Okay. So, meron tayong yes, meron tayong yes, meron tayong yes. Okay, maraming salamat to. I really do hope ha, naintindihan nyo ha. Kasi sayang naman yung inattend ninyo. So, ngayon, ang next natin pag-uusapan, meron na kayong nakagawa kayo ng target, magmo-monitor na kayo. The next thing that you need to understand is ano ba yung services na pwede sa inyo. Kung level 3 kayo, marami kayong services na pwede. So, ito yung ginagawa namin. So, meron ho akong mga kliyente na level 2, may kliyente ako na level 3. Alalaki talaga ng kita. Okay? So, who wants to know? Paano namin ginawa yun? Okay, yung level 2 ko, ginawa namin ng 700 million. Nag-end yung year last year. Ang problema ko nila, BIR. Sa sobrang laki ng kanilang income, they never realized na pwede pala ganun. Paano daw yung tax? Meron akong level 3, kumita ng mga 500 something. Okay? Or almost 6. So, who wants to know how in God's name were we able to do it? Okay?